In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find your Instagram password and username. So I'll first cover how you can find your Instagram username, and that is very simple. All you need to do is launch up Instagram, and then once you're on the home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. And then you will see your username right at the top of the page. Mine says Savage Business Tips. That is my username. So that would be how you find your username. Now, to find your password is a little bit more tricky, and Instagram don't really like to give out this kind of information. So it would be all up to you as to whether or not you had your password saved onto your device. Now, if you're on an Android device, what you would do is go onto your home screen, and then you can simply swipe down on the screen, and then you would type Password Manager. And once you have found Password Manager and you know that you've saved your Instagram password on your device before, but you just want to reference your password, tap on Password Manager and then just select the account that's connected on your phone. And now if you see I scroll down, I can find Instagram there. If I tap on Instagram, I'll just need to verify that it's me, and it'll bring up my Instagram password if I go ahead and tap on that little eye icon. I'm not going to show my password because that would be foolish. But that would be a way of how you could get your Instagram password if you forgot it and you want to reference it. So that would be how you find your Instagram password and username. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.